Ole chi bai vek u tu na chuan kan tu te nen na kan han thoka nge.
You ready to work for Emmy? I got a lot of work. Bây giờ na thọ tur tam lut tu ko. Chu wang chuan in ro helaya trash bag zawng hi khi ta. Da thọ tur bây giờ you ready to go work? Hi, Seiji. How was the ride? Yeah. Hi, Bite. I got a lot of work for you, okay? Tons. We'll make a fire tonight, okay?
Yeah, we'll see. Untangle wires.
That's very interesting.
Maybe she like.
We just with the nimina kan Christmas decoration kan la zo la ben te kan thingkung from all the trees. We took everything out. Your mommy took everything out from the tree. Yeah, you need to untangle.
That's what I'm doing right now.
And then, yeah, and put away until the next Christmas. Come here, baby. So chairs, some more. All the 3 chairs, you need to bring it to the basement. Wherever you can find room. Okay, baby. You can do 2 at a time, or maybe 3. You don't have to carry it on your bag like that.
I can.
Just hold. You're not gonna be able to do that. Khoa đại ta noam hle mai. Bo in khoa luma. Tu na hian na noam tok chawn ya. Tu te in fiam mai en te hi noam ve a. Bo in po ka thok na sa khawp mai ro chu. Na tho hi noam ve a than tlak te hianin
No, you would.
kan ngau sat te hian kan sia.
Or you can like turn it around.
Okay, but there. Mizo chem that lo kan je se. But there hinte. Endo. So you hold this. So you can hold it this way. You can
Katupa larsa. Chem sa dan le thing dan kan zirtir ve mai ni hi.
so you can cut it. But you
No,
don't
I already. That's the one I already.
you don't want to cut it that smaller, right? Okay. You hold it and you shoot it right there at the knot. Okay.
Chem pui man dan hi ati dan te hi lo om ve a. Ka tupa ka han zirtir chuanin atira chuan a phei zawng in an sa ta a sa dan kha a chuk kha a kham phei lo in sa tur kha kan tia kan entira ani chuan it's an art ati mai a ati dan te kha lo ma wang khanin mai ro chu a to pa chuanin a tlemin a thiam ve ta la thiam chun zom zel tura ngai photang
An angle, not like that. Okay. See, if you hit it hard, it will. There you go. And you do like that, and you chop it. So that's good. We need to find the green one. Okay. If it's not green, it's hard. Okay, here, here's a good one. Okay. Hey, but there. All right, come here. You hold it right here. And then you can chop it right here. You hold it tight. You aim it and you push it hard. Okay, you hit it hard. Hold it tight also. Angle.
Angle like.
Yeah, and angle. There you go. There. It has to be angled. It cannot straight.
Yeah,
It has to be angled, right? Okay, so that's the only way you can cut it. Try it again. Angle. You gotta hold it tight. Yeah. It's not still not an angle. There, yeah, if it's an angle. I can use it for my tomato plant. Yay! Good job! Yay!
For sure.
Okay.
Very fun.
Okay, so we're ready to work hard tomorrow? Yeah. Tam takkan thawng nak tu ka tur kan nga le tuk bite. Tu na chuanin kan relax anga. Trash min pai pui to bo ka khita chuwang chuan Walmart ta kan kalanga. I can give you a treat, right?
Yeah.
What do you want?
I don't know.
What will we make a trade on? I'll give you 70 cents.
70 cents? For what?
Yeah.
Stop joking.
I don't have 70 cents. I can give you.
Is that all you have?
Yeah.
All you see? That was
That's all I have.
You only have 70 cents?
Yeah. Google Rewards isn't really rewarding me that much. Yeah. I got 70 cents in
So who got the most money?
Me.
Yes, him.
Oh, really?
He steals money from on a regular basis.
And I try to sell people 70 cents always. Whatever money I got, I'm gonna be like, hey, you want this? Maybe not when I'm older, but right now.
Well, then you're young. Nobody steals from you. If you have money, Rune is gonna start coming to your door.
He's gonna be like 50 and he's gonna knock at my door and I'm gonna be like, yeah.
Oh, really?
Give me $100, I need more crack. That's just 2 years.
So, but that next year you're gonna be in high school?
No.
What are you gonna be?
I mean, I'm still gonna be in the middle school.
Middle school?
Yeah, 2 years left.
Oh, 2 years?
Yep.
Okay. Lars will be done with high school.
No, I have my senior year, and then
Oh, next year. Pero Lars senior year. And yeah, he high school zo trip to but he to kanya.
Yeah.
And he is single, unlike Rune. And Finn is not single. Finn got a girlfriend.
I do not.
Yes, you have a girlfriend.
It's not
Last-
my girlfriend, it's just a friend.
Oh, just a friend?
Starts.
Oh.
No, they're just
Ah.
friends. That's how it starts.
Just a good friend, right? But then-
Not good friend.
Okay, yeah, that's kind of
No, how
weird.
good?
It's
How
a
good
weird way to
friend
phrase
is
it,
she?
She's just a friend. I don't know what you guys are.
Just a friend. Okay.
We'll see.
We'll see. Yeah, Lars say we'll see. Yeah.
Uh,
Okay, let's go to the store and get maybe some
you guys go.
ice cream. You don't want to come with the? We'll get. How about we get Klondike bar.
I do.
I haven't had it in a long time,
Yeah.
right?
I don't want
So-
a Klondike bar, you know?
Okay.
You know, like, mushy those things get, like, you take one bite and the whole thing cracks.
Well, if you're not, you have to like strategically plan. That's why Klondike bars are cool. Because normal ice cream, you just shove it in your mouth. But like Klondike bars, you have to take a bite and you're like, okay, how do I go about it?
Yeah, and you have, like,
Tute ni an cham na. Na kan thok le ang.
Hey, vo insu tlangwal pathum an oma. Huan min han Tifai pui don ni hin ni kuma kan bin chin na. Awih na kha kan la chua ka nga chuan bin chin le nan kan ready don ni. But then will it be easier if you just grab it and let it? Yeah, you have to. Yeah, trash bag nen kan chuan ti boy thak. So you can go. Yeah, you can go inside. Yeah, you can't talk to bit there.
Yeah.
Selania. Hey, and talk. Char to. Throw bit there. fel du na nia tro bete enge khai soi tur kha emi kan tran pui don tro
Emi Jan Pui Don. There we go.
emi kan tran pui don tro a har satte mania oh it's yeah use a shovel.
It's a hard one.
I know. Wow, shake it down, but yeah. So the soil will be right there. You don't need the soil on the other side. Yeah, when you pull it out, you shake it and the soil will go back on the ground. So shake it. Yeah. Oh hey, ni kum lampang kan an thur mun le kan sam trok mun te kan han Tifai ni hi dona na yeah just hang it just give it to me bit there okayไม่ตัดไม่ร้อนกระokay so there's a few more to
All of it?
all this just do this here first hey he ka sam trok bit there hey he pull masa pot ro oh hey lai he so that I can put my cabbage there. Here's a shovel. Just, I know your Papa had a hard time too pulling.
Okay, now.
Now you will need your shoes. Okay. Leave that alone, but there, the small one, pull the small one, whatever you can pull. Okay.
I'm gonna grab one.
Shake it real good, but there, shake down. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, shake it down. Absolutely. Kan sam trok. Ni kuma kan sam trok kanya. How are you doing with that?
Good.
You need a shovel for that, Rooney. Trăng Việt lắm. Trăng rồi. À lâu trăng mà sắm trọc cuồng hi mò. Don't worry about it there. Shake it down well.
In there.
You guys are working so hard in Papa in restaurant. Why don't you work hard? Very hard. Shake it down right there, I need the soil. The soil should not be going. Yeah. You don't have to get it all. Yeah, you can do it right there. Hey, mulch can that on here. Yeah, gotta spread it right there. No, not inside.
Huh?
Outside, right there.
The grass.
On the grass, because you know why?
Because she has to put something before she puts this on.
Yeah. So, okay. Yeah, that's good. Thank you, right there. And fill in ya oh. Fill lutuka. Heta hianin mulch. Kan nok rem reman ya kan. Winter zawng kan da vex ya. Okay, you're done your job ite. Maybe you wanted to put away. Okay, so how was the food? Papa treat you guys? Yeah. Yeah, maybe one more right next to the other bag. But see that?
Why do you guys get one? So fine though. Yeah, well, then it's only your fault.
Finn, what you can? I know what you can do. This pile, the small one, not the twig, go to the bottom of the yeah, so we can burn it tonight.
Okay, so we put all this.
Yeah, right there. No, but there, in the garden. Smile, you're on candid camera. Yes. Okay, so what do you think about working for Emmy?
It was okay. We still have a lot to do.
You said you were gonna pay me a little bit.
Oh my
Of course,
God.
you're going to get paid.
That's your first thing.
Yeah. Nine Thawk chalutuka, zawng chuan kalom lutu kalom. Okay, keep working.
We're gonna keep going. We have a lot to do.
Ole khati zong kha katu tenen ni hi chunga kan na tho kan ron entia thei chu an lo ni le ta a kalome. Thank you so much. God bless.